My name is Eric Pena. I work for an herbal manufacturing company here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The main problem I was having was not being able to eat a lot of foods, anything crunchy, a lot of vegetables. It made me malnourished. I was taking a lot of vitamins, which was also expensive. It really affected my health in many ways, even to like almost depression. Been years since I'd been able to have a steak, a lot of raw vegetables, fruits, things I used to enjoy that for years I wasn't even able to eat them. I decided to go with ABQ Dental Implant Center because the staff was amazing. Number one, the plans, the financing plans available, it made it very cost effective. I just wanted to do it right away.
When Eric first came to my office, he'd been struggling with a few things. One was some pretty severe gum and bone disease that over the years had really worn away the bone, especially around his front teeth. And over time, that bone disease started to cause looseness in the teeth. Several months before coming to us, he'd actually lost one of his front teeth. And so in addition to struggling with teeth that really weren't functioning well for him, he was also struggling with some confidence issues due to the appearance of his upper and lower front teeth. And so we had a discussion about options, and we decided it was best for him to remove the teeth that were non-restorable, remove the teeth that weren't healthy enough to keep around. In his case, we were actually able to keep some of his back teeth that were healthy. And then we replaced the teeth that were removed with dental implants to restore his ability to smile confidently and his ability to chew anything he wants.
I had fear, anxiety going into it. They were very good about prescribing medication to really alleviate that before I went in. Everyone was very professional. I decided to trust them because the behavior, everyone was professional. I had full bridge implant surgery, both top and bottom. I only have, I think, 4 original teeth left. The way they feel, even the palate I was able to get used to it quickly. Everything was great. The speed at which everything was performed was amazing. I'd had friends who had the same procedure I had done, and they were in dentures for months before I was able to even have the temporary set of implants in the next day, that's actually one of the main reasons why I decided to go with them as well, is I would not be walking around without teeth.
One of the biggest surprises that our patients experience is how straightforward the process can be. For a lot of our patients, when they start looking at their options, they're told that they need to be in dentures or without teeth for a period of time. In Eric's case, we were able to give him a set of temporary teeth immediately after the surgery. And so he could be confident smiling while things were healing. And of course, when everything was done, he had a bright new smile that he could be confident with, and he could eat the foods he wanted to.
Everything went smoothly. Everything was very smooth. It was well organized. I could not have expected better. I feel comfortable being out, talking to people, not being always looked at as like I'm under scrutiny for my smile. I've regained my confidence by being able to speak in front of people without feeling like I had to hide my smile. It definitely did a lot for my body. Number one, the surgery cleaned out a lot of infection that I'd had that I didn't even know. I have been recommending ABQ Dental Implant Center since the day of my first consultation. Everything was amazing. The staff was great. Dr. Rogers was great. I would highly recommend them to anyone else. Dr. Rogers and his team really significantly improved the quality of my life and helped me regain my confidence.